Hi, I'm Tony Brancato, President of Honeywell Federal Manufacturing and Technologies. Our traditional customer is the National Nuclear Security Administration, which is an agency within the Department of Energy. Our non-traditional customers that we're starting to build our base around has to do with the Department of Defense, it could be the Air Force, could be other agencies within the government, Homeland Security, but all built around national security, homeland security for our country. We employ approximately 2,700 employees in the area of manufacturing precision components for electrical, mechanical, and engineered materials components.
Under contract with the National Nuclear Security Administration, Honeywell Federal Manufacturing and Technologies manages the NNSA's Kansas City plant and several other properties. They manufacture non-nuclear components for the nation's nuclear deterrent, components that endure extremes of heat and cold, brutal shocks, vibration and G-forces, and still must work without fail for decades.
At the end of the day, we aren't going to make a commitment that we can't keep. And it's very important for all of our employees to recognize that and to really understand, and they do understand that commitment. So when we go out to the shop floor and we're producing products for our customers, we're going to stand behind the commitments that we've made, whether it's material flow, quality aspects of it, wherever it may fit into our organization.
Now come back around and look at the other side again.
Let's go look at the other side.
Okay, now stop. Now come up just a little. There you go. There you go. Looks good.
In Honeywell Federal Manufacturing and Technologies business, with the state-of-the-art rapidly advancing and with the nation's security at stake, change is the only constant. Managing that change through proactive leadership and continuous improvement is the company's greatest concern and its deepest commitment.
When you're speaking of national security and national defense, you're always on that leading edge. And so our continuous focus is around process improvements, driving change into the complex, and meeting the needs of an ever-changing customer. We use the transformation process that we call KC RIMS to move us into the 21st century, to meet the needs that our customers have outlined. It allows us to improve our processes around the utilization of Six Sigma and ultimately deliver on savings that this country will reap the benefits of.
It's been 30 years of improvements that this organization's been making through Six Sigma, ISO, and Baldrige. And it's funny because a lot of people say, well, which one would you do? And I said, well, it's not a matter of being mutually exclusive. And the way I explain them is that it's like taking a journey. The Six Sigma is like the car. It's the tool to get you there. The ISO 9001 or 14001, it's the discipline. It's almost like getting your license, okay, following the rules. And the Baldrige Criteria for me is the roadmap. And they all work harmoniously together.
A laser-like focus on ISO certification and Six Sigma quality. A passionate commitment to the Baldrige Criteria as a business plan for managing change. A firm reliance on processes that are continuously reviewed and tweaked, resulting in continuous performance improvement. Add to this a loyal workforce, employees that share a fierce pride in their calling, serving their country. No wonder that Honeywell can point to stellar results.
We at Honeywell Federal Manufacturing and Technologies have maintained a customer satisfaction rating of 96% over the last 3 years. The delivery of our product and reliability has exceeded 99.9% over the last 3 years.
And by using its Six Sigma Plus continuous improvement model to integrate customer and business requirements into all design projects, Honeywell realized annual cost savings between $23.5 and $27 million for the past 3 fiscal years.
It's continuous improvement. We've been on this path of continuous improvement, and we will continue on the path. And it takes us from one level to another, where we continue to focus on our processes, look for ways to drive change and improvements, as we continue to deliver on our commitments to the customer.